What's up, guys? Today is Thursday. That means it's Snap-on Thursday. You know this truck's loaded. Let's take a look and see what Kevin's got. Let's do it. Boy, I see some big old empty holes, so that means somebody had a good week this week.
Download.
Lots.
It's fixing to be tool show next week, so I won't see y'all next week. I will be in Washington at our tool show.
That's a good place too, right there. Where y'all are going. It's really nice.
I've never been, so
that's nice.
There's a lot of stuff. People told me go watch the changing of the guard. Like, there's some stuff up there that I'd like to go see for sure while I'm there.
That's a really nice Gaylord too, man.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice.
And that's the only place that our president will stay, is at the Gaylords.
And the cool part there too is a lot of walking, like right across the street. There's a lot of stuff to do.
Yeah.
There's a lot of restaurants, so you're not just stuck in that.
Majority of my time I'll be at the tool show trying to take care of that. Well, doing like seminars, training, and stuff like that they have for us there. It's all good stuff to load up on. Maybe some tools, I don't know.
Hopefully you'll find a lot of good tools.
Yeah.
So. Well, what all we got up here today is something cool and new.
Would be the new. It is, well, that's the whole foam set. I haven't even had time to put one together. They showed up last night. But it is the new 3/8 torque.
Okay.
It does 135 foot-pounds.
Okay.
Now, don't make me mess with it, because I got no clue how any of this works. Like I said, it goes to 135 instead of 125 like the older ones.
Right.
Hopefully I did that right. I'm not reading directions right now.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's the right way.
It does have a color screen. The 135, I forgot exactly what it was. There's another vehicle, the head bolts torqued down to 135 is,
right.
But the main feature on it, I would like to say, is it does rolling torque. I'm not even sure where to even, angle 0. But it'll do rolling torque also, which I guess is handy, like people that do like rack and pinions, stuff like that. I was really hoping it actually has a spot where it pulls up a QR code, and it will actually walk you through the entire, walk you through how to use it, which is
like
nice.
A demo version or something.
But like I said, I am so new to this thing, I couldn't tell you where any of it.
So that's obviously a 3-piece kit over here, you guys. So you get a quarter, a 3/8 and a half in there, and it looks like the foam tray's got places to store the batteries.
Yep.
So a lot of you guys may have left your batteries in your torque wrenches.
Do not do that.
Don't do that. That is a terrible idea, because these caps are aluminum, this body handle's aluminum. Just take your batteries out and be on the safe side.
Yeah, it doesn't take but a second to store them properly.
Pop them out, put them in. I've done that with mine. You know, even when I had my cheap, like my gear wrench one, you know, I would take the batteries out, because when you got a torque wrench, you need it.
Well, you can't leave batteries.
It to work, you know?
You can't leave batteries in anything.
No.
It is never going to end well.
Man, you need a few more ratchets in this drawer.
Oh, I got an answer for that. I'm fixing that. It will be actually my new raffle. So hopefully I'm going to download some ratchets here soon too.
Tons of them.
Yeah. I think that drawer is about at maximum capacity.
Yeah, it's full. It is definitely full. Let me show you how high it sticks up out of the drawer. You got a bunch of ratchets.
That's the hey you. Everybody sees how many I got, so they know there's always deals on them.
Man, yeah.
I personally like our 80 tooth. The 100 tooth, now that they've got the rebuild fixed on it, I sort of do like the 100 tooth. it was a it was an irritating beginner because the original kit that came in it
mine is terrible. That thing feels like it's got gravel in it.
Yeah, those are not.
It is not.
But with the new rebuild kit, it takes all that slack out.
Yeah, that new one that I bought from you, whew, it's greedy, boy. She bad ugly.
Oh, of course, still got some Tupperware. I do not have many of the 250th sets.
4 of them left.
I may have ran the route on those.
Uh-oh.
But
all good stuff.
Of course, there's not really too much new stuff to really show. I've been trying to get rid of everything, trying to make room, which I'm gonna have to do. I'll do a full overhaul of the truck this weekend, besides washing it and cleaning it.
It's always something to do on here, isn't it?
Change the oil, everything else.
Yeah.
Proper maintenance.
Yep. Food warmer. Snap-on's got everything, don't they? They'll be having Snap-on prophylactics next. Somebody's gonna have to Google that right now to figure out what that is.
Oh, as soon as you said it there already. I like this one. This is one I don't see too much on my truck.
Yeah.
But it's an MG325.
Okay.
I do really like it. I guess I like the size. And also when I was at the power plant, this was actually what they were powder coating while I was there.
Right.
I'm trying to think of. They're 4.25 foot-pounds of torque on those.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
But
little bitty joker, ain't it?
Yeah. For the people that still use air.
There ain't many of them left, though, man. God.
Nice little
powder battery
coat.
Technology has just
it
changed everything.
At one of my other stops, we threw the 8-point and the 5-point in just to hear the difference on the tool. I guess
like on the grinder.
Yeah, because everybody says there's no difference.
Oh, there's a huge difference when
but
you're running
just in the
eats.
sound.
Yeah.
Hopefully this won't make a liar out of me like the 4-to-1 pliers.
All I know is them, I can't speak for the Snap-on, but I can tell you with a Milwaukee, it is a humongous difference of them, you know.
Oh yeah, between the batteries.
Shoot, yeah, dude. Like, you put one of those large amp-hour batteries on there and that baby will just go.
Yeah, work.
You know, like, it's supposed to, you know, it works like you want it to work.
Yeah.
Obviously, they don't have as much power as a corded one, but you get real close with a high amp battery.
Yeah.
It's a big improvement over the way it used to be.
Well, there's a little bit of difference.
Well, lots of goodies on here. I'm kind of looking forward to seeing what you're going to come back from Tool Fair with, and hopefully.
I'm wondering what they're going to have.
It'll be a lot of good stuff.
Yeah. Well, I know the flex head, which I figure we'll have to order those. It'll probably be a huge pack to order them.
Yeah. I figure it will be a massive back order on those, because that's a big deal. You know? Well, hopefully we'll get to see some cool stuff come out of it. That's all you ever asked for.
Yeah. Well, 2 weeks from now, we'll see about where we're sitting.
There you go. Is this new or y'all have
that's at 550 lumen.
Oh, I just got a hinge on it. Yeah.
Got flipped over. Sort of a little bit better of a hey you on there.
Yeah, that thing is cool right there.
It does have about the front light too. I like it all right.
Those are cool. All right, guys. Well, we're going to get off here and get Kevin taken care of. Like always, thanks for watching the video, hanging out with us today. Hit that thumbs up. It really does help the algorithm. Check over here for merchandise, cool tools, and discount codes down here. If you're not subscribed, take your fine danger and click that button. Y'all have a great week. See ya.